Hello there. Alright then, today we're going to make a lamb and potato fry. Over here we've got about a kg of lamb rib, all marinated. What's it got on it, Mum?
It's got turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, a bit of chili powder, say quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and salt.
Yeah,
you marinate it for 30 minutes.
Okay. Alright then, so what else have we got then? We've got some onions here, chopped up. How many?
1.5 onions.
Okay, so we've got 1.5 onions. Okay, we've got a mixture here that we're going to blend up.
That is tomatoes.
Yeah.
2 green chilies.
Yeah.
And some mint leaves. Just a few mint leaves. That's dry mint leaves, yeah?
Okay.
But
you've got both tinned tomatoes and fresh tomatoes.
Yeah, half a tinned tomato and 1 fresh tomato.
Okay then, lovely. Alright then, so what we got over here then?
Here we got dry, we got some old spices, 2 bay leaves, a cinnamon stick, a black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, and 3 cloves.
Okay, and over here?
We've got ginger and garlic paste, a teaspoon of each.
Okay, and these over here?
We've got half a teaspoon of jeera, 1 full teaspoon of dhania, half a teaspoon of ordinary chili powder, and a quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then that is mutton curry powder, and a pinch of fennel seed powder.
Okay.
And salt. Now we're going to blend the tomato mix.
Okay then, so we're going to heat up a pan and add some oil.
4 tablespoons of oil.
Okay, so we're going to add our whole spices. Stir these spices for a minute. Okay, now we're going to add our onions. Stir the onions until they go golden brown. A pinch of salt helps brown the onions. The onions are starting to go brown to a lovely golden colour. Okay, now we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Give it a stir. Now we're going to add some ginger and garlic paste. Now we're going to add a tiny bit of water so it doesn't stick to the pan. Fry until all the raw smell comes out. Keep frying for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay then, so now we're going to add our meat. Keep frying until all the juices of the meat comes out. Keep stirring until all the meat changes colour. Now cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Okay then, so that's 5 minutes gone. We're going to take out our lid. Blended tomatoes mixture. Okay then, so now the sauce has thickened slightly and it's bubbling. We're going to add all our masalas. So first we're going to put in our coriander powder. And then we're going to add our jeera. We'll give it a quick stir. Okay, so now we're going to add our chili powder and our Kashmiri chili powder. Cook it for about 2 minutes.
Okay, it's time to put the other masalas now.
Okay, so we're going to add a teaspoon of mutton masala and some ground fennel seeds, about half a teaspoon of that.
Let it fry on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes again, because that masala is cooking.
Okay then, so we're going to add a cup of water and it's mixed in with the marinated masalas.
Give it a stir and cover the pan and let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes till the mutton is tender.
Okay then, so the mutton's had a half an hour. It's still not quite cooked. Obviously we're doing this for the benefit of people without a pressure cooker. But if you were to do it in a pressure cooker, you probably only need about 20 minutes. But we're going to give it about another 15 minutes.
Now the meat is nearly cooked. We'll add our potatoes to the sauce and let it cook for another 15 minutes till the potatoes are cooked. put the lid on and cook for another 15 minutes.
Okay, so now it's cooked.
Now the curry is cooked, we chop up some coriander and just throw it on top. It's ready.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell.